Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to start financial planning using financial pyramid. Before we start, do you know that pyramid is the strongest shape in the world? Indeed, it's the most stable building structure that's able to sustain for thousands of years. The reason is because its base contains of majority of stone and the largest stone. This makes the base very strong and a good foundation for building other layers. To build a strong financial position, it is important to start building from the bottom base, slowly go up to the tip of the pyramid. For financial pyramid, it is made up of 3 layers. The base layers means the lowest risk with the lowest return. As it goes up to the next layer, the risk increase to be moderate, and then to the highest risk with highest return. The first layer is for wealth protection, to safeguard your assets during rainy days. In this stage, you should have enough saving for emergency fund up to 6 months of salary, insurance plan of term, whole life or endowment, and fixed deposit for capital guarantee. However, do note that all these are with zero or low return due to low risk exposure. The second layer is for wealth preservation to counter the inflation rate. This is the stage when you invest in low to moderate risk investment vehicle such as bond, unit trust, and structured deposit, which is able to pay you coupon and dividend. The third layer is for capital growth. This is for the investment with growth potential, such as high yield bond, single country fund, shares, and stocks. The risk exposure is the highest, as those are hugely impacted by the market volatility, interest rate, and credit risk of the issuer. Meanwhile, market fluctuation indicates that there is opportunity to tap on to make a gain. In summary, the financial pyramid is to build a strong financial portfolio. For wealth protection, you are advised to save up to 6 months of your salary for emergency funds and buy insurance plan to protect you for accident and emergency. For wealth preservation, you can invest in low to moderate risk investment such as bonds and unit trusts. For capital growth, you can invest in stock market for highest returns. Question yourself, have you started building your financial foundation? If no, you should really start looking into it. Make sure you have a cushion to fall for during unexpected life events. If yes, you are being responsible for your own finances. Make sure you review your current position and explore options to move up to the next layer of the pyramid. It is important to start planning early as to allow yourself to have longer duration window for wealth accumulation. Hopefully, you can use this financial pyramid as your guide to build your financial portfolio. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, comment below to share your ideas, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.